What's the meaning of CBI? CBI. CBI.
CBI. CBI. The acronym CBI can refer to various organizations and institutions, but the most common meaning is Central Bureau of Investigation. This is a premier investigative agency of India that deals with high-profile cases related to corruption, economic offences, and other crimes. The CBI was established in 1963 and operates under the jurisdiction of the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances, and Pensions. Despite its achievements, the agency faces criticism for political interference, lack of transparency, and delayed investigations. Overall, the Central Bureau of Investigation plays a vital role in maintaining law and order in India and upholding justice.